so today I want to show you how to thread a drop-in bobbin. I did a video on how to load a front load bobbin, but this is a tutorial on how to load a drop-in bobbin. So the first thing that you want to do, just like with the front load bobbin, you want to make sure that your thread is going in the correct direction, which is to the left. So when you pull on your thread, your bobbin should turn counterclockwise to the left. And that's the way you're going to put it into the machine. So then you just drop your bobbin in with that thread going to the left. And then you're going to bring the thread to the front. And there's a little slot right there in the front. There's a little one back here, but you want to bring the thread to this first slot here in the front, and then you just pull it back so that it hooks under there, and then you take it to this back slot just like that, and then just pull it out of the way. Pull it back just like that. And now you're ready to get your top thread from your needle, and you're going to lower your needle into your machine, and as that needle lowers into the machine, this top thread is going to grab the bobbin thread, and you just pull on your top thread, raise your needle up a little bit, pull on that top thread, and as you can see, it grabs the bobbin thread, and then you just pull that through. So now you have your bobbin thread out of your machine and you are ready to sew.